Hello, ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? It's a boy Crypto Calls. Okay, I'm here again and I bring you good tidings. And what is that good tiding? It's called Blenverse. Okay, this is not a financial advice and shouldn't be treated as such. This is just for entertainment purposes, you understand? And if you're a member of my community, you should have heard me talk about Blendverse. For the past 2 months or thereabout, I've been talking about Blendverse. And mind you, I am not one of Blendverse team, neither am I one of their developers. I am just an ambassador here in Africa. I'm representing them here in Africa. If you are a member of my crypto community on WhatsApp and Telegram, you should have heard me talk about Blenverse when they started their BAO events and they were rewarding people with DAI. We all know DAI is a stable coin that is listed on Binance. And they rounded up their BAO events and went into IDO stage 1. IDO simply means initial DEX offering. And that stage 1 just ended, and now Blend has started stage 2. Now, there is a beautiful thing about this IDO stage 2, which I'm going to be unveiling to you right now. Just sit down, relax, and follow me, because I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to purchase Blend and also earn while waiting before the launch. You understand? It's beautiful. I've seen a lot of pre-sales, a lot of IDOs whereby you buy and you just hold. You understand? But Blend, you buy Blend's IDO, you're still earning. You might even earn more than what you invested in the IDO. But then don't get it twisted. I'm going to take you on a step-by-step guide. Now, there is this beautiful thing about this stage 2 IDO, which is the referrals. You understand? Now, for instance, if someone uses my referral link to buy the IDO, let's say for instance Mr. A uses $1,000 to buy Blend's IDO, I am getting 20% direct reward from that person's $1,000, which is $200. And it doesn't end there. You understand? If another person should use that person that used my my referral bonus, if another person should use his referral code, I still get a 5% direct reward. That is first generation. I am earning to that person's first generation, and it keeps going like that. Even it applies to everybody, understand? And Blend is built on Polygon Smart Chain. Okay, I'm going to be putting you on a step-by-step guide on how to buy this IDO. There are 2 things you need. You need Binance application, and you need your Trust Wallet or MetaMask. You understand? Now, on your Binance, the things you need, it's either you fund your USDT, then you swap to DAI. You understand? Because there are no ways you can buy DAI directly. You buy coin from it, you go to P2P, you buy USDT from a vendor, then you swap it to DAI. You understand? Then you send it to your Trust Wallet. Don't worry, I know it's confusing. I'm going to put you through a step-by-step guide back while I take you through the process on how to purchase the IDO. Okay, this is it. You go to your Binance, and this is your Binance, right? This is your Binance. Make sure your Binance is funded with either USDT. You understand? Make sure your Binance is funded with USDT. Now you go to your spot, okay? Go to spot, click here, search for DAI, D-A-I, okay? Then you click it. Make sure your Binance is funded with USDT. Then you see this place, this USDT/DAI. You click on it. Then you click on sell USDT. It means you're selling USDT into DAI. You understand? Then you click 100%. That's if you're selling 100% of the DAI to USDT, the USDT to DAI. Then when you click 100%, you click on sell USDT. When you click on sell USDT, it will sell automatically. Then you go back. Understand? When you come to this DAI, your money will be reflecting here. Then you go to your Trust Wallet. You go to your Trust Wallet. Go to your Trust Wallet. You go to your Trust Wallet. This is just the referral bonus I've collected. I've collected about $67 just from referral bonus. You understand? You go to your Trust Wallet. Now, if your DAI is not, if your DAI is not here, you come to this place and search for die. Understand? You are going to see a lot of dies. Understand? You're going to see so many dies. Understand? Now you look for the one that is paired to Polygon, because we are dealing with Polygon smart chain. You understand? You scroll down. Sorry, a lot of messages are popping up. Die Polygon. We are looking for the one that is paired to Polygon. Die Cardano, die. Yeah, it is usually at the bottom. You understand? When you search for die, it's usually at the bottom. You can see it, Polygon. Then you come here and turn it on. When you turn it on, you go back to your Trust wallet. You understand? Then you copy it. Follow me step by step. Click on receive. Copy it. Okay. Go back to your Binance. We are sending it away from Binance to Trust wallet, because we are going to be buying the IDO stage 2 from Trust wallet. You understand? You click on it, then you click on withdrawal. Okay, click on send via this thing, paste it. Then this place network, you click on Polygon network. Okay, click on max, then you send it. You click on withdrawal, you send it. Then when you've sent it, you now click on this code, the referral code. Then you go back to your Trust wallet. Okay, go back to your Trust wallet. Come to browser here. Paste it. When you paste it, wait for it to load. Now please make sure you have at least $1 worth of Matic, because it's built on Polygon network, so you must have at least $1 worth of Matic for gas fee. Then you click on Polygon, you select it, wait for it to reload. If it's not loading, you reload it. Okay, this is it. You can see. Then if you want to buy, you click on, you put the amount you want to use here. You see here, put amount in DAI. If you want to buy worth of $1,000, you put $1,000. Okay, then you buy. Okay, buy Blend. That's very simple. When you buy, you go to their Telegram group, copy the contract address, and it's already in your wallet. So that is it. Thank you, and have a beautiful day ahead of you. I remain your boy Crypto Calls. The video is already becoming lengthy. Thank you.